Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really neat way to organize your rhinestones. I was having a problem with mine because mine are currently in a stack that looks like this. So I have to dig through the whole box every time I want to do something, and that's not really efficient. So these metal plates, and I hung them on the wall. I got a couple of these. And I even got some larger ones of these containers. See? And I put magnets on the back of them. See? Didn't matter which size magnet. After I used a few of these, I found these little guys and they're really strong. Check this out. See? And it's perfect. Now I can visually see what I have. And it's easy for me to locate, use, and put right back. And none of them fall off because they have a magnet on them and they are screw tops. Make sure you get the containers to actually screw the top on. Otherwise, you'll come home and you'll have rhinestones all over your floor. I know from experience. Just saying. Okay, well, that's my tip on how to organize your rhinestones.